that is NCR x to the power n minus r and y to the power r. Is that okay? You're happy with this formula? Do you understand what is the meaning of? Actually, I have not written. NCR is also equal to n and r. It is same. So if you look into the question, what they have asked, write out the binomial expansion of one. You have to write the binomial expansion of this one. Is that okay? Yeah, 3x. So first you have to decide, according to this formula, what is your x.
One.
Yeah, and y.
X. Or
Y,
3x, sorry.
3x. Okay, so I will write my formula. So first, what is your n?
3.
3. And what is your r? Your r will be 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let me write first. How to write in easy way? You can write like this: 3, 0. Okay, first thing. Right here 3, 1. We'll fill it, don't worry about that. 3, 2. Okay, and I don't have any space, so I'm writing here 3 and 3. Finish. Okay, now x is your 1, so 1 to the power this n minus r. So n minus r is 3. Is it not true? And y is your 3x, and to the power r is your 0. Okay, plus. Okay, now what will happen? This power will decrease and this power will increase. So 1 to the power 2 and 3x to the power 1 plus will be the in middle. Okay, you have to write the plus. Okay, again 1 to the power 1 and 3x to the power 2. Okay, plus 1 to the power 0. Is it not right? And 3x to the power 3. That's all done. Okay, you're happy with this, the way I did?
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah,
I just first write this one so that you can understand it. Okay, and then I'm writing x, highest power, lowest power. Okay, and then in decrease, increase, decrease, increase, decrease, increase. It will reach up to 3. It will start from the 3 because your n is 3. Now the thing is that, do you know how to find the value of this one? Do you know how to find the value of this one?
I think so. I think it's like
if you open your calculator, there is a NCERT where you have to put the value. Okay, so if this is your calculator, it should be somewhere here near AC button. Okay, if you click it, put R value 0 and put n value 3. Check. Can you check it? How much you are getting? I don't have the calculator right now here.
It's 1.
Is it 1 or 3?
I think 3 to the power, or 3C0 is just 1.
Okay, I don't know, but that is 1. Okay, and this is how much? This is also 1. And 3x to the power 0. This is also 1. Okay, so first term is 1 plus. Is that right?
Yeah.
And 3C1. Can you put 3C1 in the calculator?
It's 3.
So this is 3. This is 1 to the power, and this is 3x. Is that okay? So how much is that? 9x. How much is that? Can you find this one? 3 to the power plus
It's 3.
This is also 3. So 3, this is 1, and this is your 9x square. Are you happy with this?
Yeah.
So this will become 27x square. How much is this? 3c3?
It's 1.
3c3 is 1. This is 1, this is 1, and this is your 27 cube. Is that right?
Yeah.
27 cube. So everything is 1. So this will become 27x cube. So this is your final answer. If you want to rearrange, write this one first, second, third, and fourth. So answer will be this one. And what we have to do in this question, put x is equal to 1. Is that right?
Yeah, I think that was it.
Verify.
Yeah.
Put x. If you put x is equal to 1, what you will get? This is 1.
X
9
plus 9.
27. How much is that? Everything. Is it 64?
Yeah.
64. Here you are getting 64, and if here if you put x is equal to 1, this will become 1 plus 3 whole square cube. Okay, so 4 cube is how much? That is also 64. So I put in my expansion the x is equal to 1, and in the real question I put x is equal to 1, and in both way we are getting 64. So that is the right answer.
Yeah, that's right.
So the only way you have to understand is how you are writing the binomial. Okay. Can I repeat once just the formula how to write? So always start with this. Let's say n is 3. Okay, so do like this: 3 0, then 3 1, 3 2, 3 3. Done. Okay, put always x to the power highest 3 and y to the power 0. Okay, x to the power 2, y to the power 1, x to the power 1, y to the power 2 plus, and x to the power 0 and y to the power 3. So this is the way. So if they are giving you n equal to 5, it will be expanded. Okay, little bit more.
Right.
Okay, so always decrease the power of x, increase the power of y.
That makes sense. Yeah. Thank you.
Next question.
Could we do the ones with the blue circles? Number 7.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Number 7 is a part of the first question. Okay, a plus b to the power 4. Okay, let's take this one as a new question. What we have to do as a polynomial in x. Okay. What was your way? How you proceed this question?
Well, I'm pretty sure I expanded out the first part.
How you expanded with the
so
power
you see,
4?
well, I did so you know the way for the first part it says expand a plus b to the power 4 plus a minus b, and then I got the answer for that, and I'm pretty sure.
So you multiplied this one 4 times.
No, not that one. The one above that.
Okay, that one was, and you multiplied 4 times. Is that right?
I did the binomial.
Oh yes, you can use binomial. Yeah, binomial you can use here also, binomial. The only difference is your y will be one time positive and one time negative. So if you want to use binomial, you can use the answer. What was the answer of that question? Have you got the answer of that question? You don't need to do it twice, because
I'm gonna get it now.
this is the part of that question. second.
Okay.
Yeah, what do you
Yeah,
got?
I got an answer.
What is that?
2a to the power of 4
Mm-hmm.
plus 12a squared b squared
Mm-hmm.
plus 2b to the power of 4.
Which looks okay to me. Okay. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Now, see why I told you you can use, because if this is your a, x is equal to a, and this is your b, so this will be a plus b power 4, and this will be your a minus b to the power 4. Is that right? And that is your previous question. Yeah. So I can write 2 here. Can I write x to the power 4 because a is your x? Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Can I write here 12 x square under root x square plus 1 whole square? Are you happy with this?
Yeah.
Plus, can I write 2 under root x square to the power of 4? Are you happy with this?
Mm-hmm.
So this is your 2 to the power x to the power 4. Now tell me, what is this? Is it not
Is that just x squared plus
1?
3?
X square plus 1? No, this is 1.
Oh, sorry, it's 1. Okay,
so can I write plus 12 x square and x square plus 1? Okay. And can I write this one? Think what I can write here. Can I write this one x square plus 1 to the whole square?
Mm-hmm.
Are you happy with why I'm writing whole square? Because actually when it was a square, I just wrote x square plus 1, but it's to the power 4.
Mm-hmm.
So are you happy with this, or I will explain? I can explain this one.
No, that makes sense. Yeah.
That makes sense. Okay. So now here I have to do a little bit simplification. X to the power 4 plus 12 x to the power 4 plus x square. Is that all right?
Yeah.
And here, see, for this one I'm using the formula a plus b whole square, where a is x square and b is 1. So I will write the directly formula. The formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Are you happy with this?
Mm-hmm.
See, this formula a plus b, a minus b whole square always is useful. Okay. So let's expand this. This is 2x to the power 4 plus 12x to the power 4 plus 12x to the square. So this will become x to the power 4. Are you happy with this?
Yeah.
2x to the power 4 plus 4x square. Are you happy with this? Plus 2.
Uh-huh.
Is that okay? So 2x to the power 4, 12x to the power 4 is your anything? Yeah, here also 2x to the power 4. So I think it is 12, 16. Is it not 16? 16x to the power 4. 16x to the power 4, this plus 16x square plus 2 is your final answer.
Perfect. Okay. Thank you.
Can you check the answer?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's right.
Okay. Do you want see this? This is the similar question. Okay, the third part. So
do you just replace a with 8 and b with the square root of 65?
Yeah, you can do see from here. I think do from here. Okay, you can replace from here. Okay, this is your final. Okay,
Yeah, that's fine. I mean, I don't need to
yeah, you don't
do
need
that
it.
if it's basically the same thing.
It's same thing.
Okay,
Just
perfect.
written number.
Um,
And similarly,
yeah, okay,
similarly question 8 is similar type. Okay,
Mhm.
just it's a binomial
Could
expansion.
we move on to question 8?
The same page?
Or sorry, not no. Sorry, the next page.
It's again binomial expansion. Okay, so what do you find the? Okay, read the question. What do you understand from the question? Find the terms independent of x in each of the following. What do you mean by that?
Well, it means that the x's cancel out.
No, I will tell you what it means. The question is, you have to find the term which do not have x after solving this, after doing the expansion, you know, like in the last question, this term do not have x. See, this one has x, this one has x, but this do not have x. Is it okay? So you have to look for that term, so which means you have to solve it completely, and you can say, okay, this is the term which do not have x. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Does it make sense? Oh, it's 8 to the power 8. See, if you want, you can expand it.
I think you could use the general term.
No, actually, if there was no x here, I could have directly given you answer, but there is a x, so I will tell you the middle. You have to check in the middle, because let's put, why not to do the expansion? It will be lengthy little bit, but let's do that. Okay, so is it not 8 0 first? Are you happy with this? 8 1 8 2 8 3. I'm writing everything. 8 4. I will not solve it, but we will see that where we will get. Okay, 5 8 6 7, and let's write 8 8. We are done. Okay, now let's write the x and y. Now what is your x? This is your x and this is your y. Okay, so we have to look for the term which do not have x. So this to the power 8, what it will give you? Will it not give you 2 to the power 8 and x to the power 24?
How are you getting that?
See, is it not this x?
Oh yeah, I get it.
And y will be 0, so I do not have anything here.
Yeah, that
So
makes
this
sense.
term has x, so we will not count this. Okay, plus. Okay, so you don't need to solve it completely, but you have to think cleverly. Okay, now here power 7, so this will become 2 to the power 7 and x to the power 21. Is that okay? And this to the power 1 will be 1 over 3x. Is that okay?
Yeah.
So this is 21 and 1, if you cancel by x, the x to the power 20 will be there. Okay, so we don't need this one also. This doesn't mean that we are wrong, just we are looking for a term which doesn't contain x.
Yeah.
Okay, just 1 second. So here also you will get 2 to the power 6. 2 to the power 6 is how much? X to the power 18. This 2 to the power 6 and 18, and here you will get 9x square. Is that right? Still it has a x, so I will not count this. So again I will put 5, again 6 5. So this will give you 2 to the power 5 and x to the power 15, and this will become 27 x cube. Is that okay?
Yeah.
So I think all of them except the last no, this will be not the answer. Let's put 4 here. So 2 to the power 4 x to the power 12, and if you put 4 here, this will become 3 to the power 4 and x to the power 4. Is that right? This will also not give you. Let's put 4, and then we have to put 5. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Is it not 3? Yeah, this will be 3. So 2 to the power 3 and x to the power 9. Okay, and what will be the y to the power 5 and x to the power 5. Is that okay? So x to the power 5 is here, and x to the power 9 it will give you. So this is not answer. Now 2 to the power 2 and x to the power 6. Now here see 3 to the power 6 and x to the power 6. So this will be cancelled out.
Yeah.
So this term will have no x. Are you happy now? Are you happy with this?
Yeah.
So but let's find the next one also. 2 to the power 1 x to the power 3, 3 to the power 7 x to the power 7. So this will have terms, so cancel out. Here 2 to the power 0 x 3 to the power 0, and 1 over 3 to the power 8 and x to the power 8. So this will also have, so which means only this term. So what is the value of this term? Let's do here. Is it not 8c6 2 to the power 2 over 3 to the power 6? Is it not this? Well, can you check in the calculator?
Yep. So sorry, what am I timing together?
Sorry?
What am I multiplying?
No, just multiply 8c. First find 8c6, then multiply 2 to the power 4 and divide by 3 to the power 6.
Do I multiply 1 over?
Yeah, 1 over
3 to the power 6?
1 over 3.
It's giving me 112 over 729.
Can you check the answer?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's right.
Okay. So do you understand what we did here in this question?
Mm-hmm.
So we solved everything, but cleverly we are looking for the term which doesn't have x.
Mm.
So you solve everything and you will find one of the term which do not have any x. And this was the one of the difficult question. Why? Because it was in denominator. This one.
Mm.
And suppose the question was like this. Which term, let's say this is 8. Which term will be independent of x? Can you tell me answer?
Would it be the last one?
Last one. Okay, so that was easy question. Okay, but when they give you denominator something like this, okay, then it is really difficult and you have to do all these things. Okay, what will happen to this one question? Can I ask which term will have independent of x?
I don't think any of them will.
Any of them? None of them.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the way you have to think. So I think I consider this question as a tough question because you have to do all the lengthy stuff. Next.
Okay, perfect. So it's on a different page. It's could we do 21 and 22, or maybe just 22?